Good morning, everyone. Today we will be doing a reading in that true or false, not given. So I understood that for most students it is difficult to do true or false. So let's do the discussion now. So how I am planning is that I will show you the question and then I will be automatically moving to the passage. Question first, passage first, and then I will do the explanation. Okay. So I have the explanation here. I have the questions. So in between, please take time to do all these things. I won't be telling you this again. So just pause the video in between and then do. So then only we will be able to cover the portions. Okay. So this is the first question. Try to find answer over here. This is the first passage. Please do and then listen to the explanation. When I change the slide, it means explanation. Okay, this is explanation. This is true or false. It says Lee was famous for his research in physics before he invented the World Wide Web. Okay. So here it is a little known computer scientist. So that's the reason answer is false. He is not famous. He is unknown, little known. Okay, that is a synonym used. So the answer is false. Next question. Passage. Explanation. Original intention of the web was to help manage one extremely complex, one extremely complex project. Answer is actually true. Over here they are explaining in the second passage. They are explaining about this project. It was actually there is a complex this is a complex project. So he didn't mean it will become so popular and all these things. He thought it will be better. Yes, but how we will keep track? So another question. He added this scientist arranged another question. But how can we keep track for such a large complex project, right? So the answer is true. See, I have classes. I also do classes for IELTS and OET. In that case, if you want classes, you can contact me, and my number will be in the description box. Next question. So I got for the second question answer from here. In fact, the web was invented to deal with a specific problem. In fact, actually it was intended for a specific problem. But this in the late 1980s, Sir was planning to one of the most ambitious scientist projects ever. So there is a it says originally intended for doing one specific problem, and later it was they are talking about these projects. Okay, ambitious scientist. It's a big project. Okay, so whatever discussions as a few first few lines of the original proposal put it. So how they started this project? First few lines about this proposal was many of the discussions of the future will end up with the answer yes. So whatever we are discussing, whatever this SER and CER is going to discuss, answer will be finally yes. But how we can keep the track of such a large project? So for that he come up with a solution like this World Wide Web. Okay, this is the explanation and the meaning. Okay, even with first explanation, if you are not understanding, you can join the class. Team Leo has also been active in politics. This passage. Explanation. Also been active in politics. Answer is actually false. 1 second, sorry. Third answer is not given. Politics is not given. Okay. See, it's political campaigning. It's politics is being mentioned. So I have this. That's why I made this mistake. Politics is actually mentioned, but that idea. See, this idea. This happens because we saw the politics. That's why even my mind played trick. Okay. I saw the word politics and I got confused that because it's mentioning here over here. But whether this man, Tim Berners-Lee, has also been active in politics, that's not discussed. Okay, this meaning is different. But among all the changes it has brought about, from personal social networks to politics, this is a change. This word by www brought many changes. From personal social networks to political campaigns. Not he does not related to this man itself. It's not related to the man itself, right? So that's the answer is false. Next question. Passage. This passage. Explanation. The web has allowed professional and amateur scientists to work together. See, allowed professional amateur scientists to work together. Did they work together anytime? For answer is true. So in one project actually they worked in Galaxy Zoo. So there actually the people, this is a line, also permit professional scientists to recruit thousands of amateurs. So they recruited amateurs and professionals. So and they work with the Galaxy Zoo and they are unpaid workers. They are not paid, they are unpaid. This project say up to here. Okay. So the answer is true. Next question, fifth question. This is the passage. This one. Explanation. The second galaxy project aims to examine more galaxies than first. So the first one was about galaxy. They want to distinguish the galaxy spiral. This answers here. See, they want to do distinguish. They did classify, right? Okay. Okay, they did classifications and all. So answer for that is false. Why? Explanation. So the second project, this is the so first they are talking about the first project here. This project was which was intended to help astronomers understand how galaxy involved was so successful that a successor has now been launched. So okay. So this successor, okay, successor, it's not about anything else. Second project, this is the first project, Galaxy Zoo. And successor means we won't understand. They never mention success. Next project, successful, first one successful, so that its successor has now been launched. Okay, so that's the reason. For what they did to classify the brightest quarter of a million of them in finer detail. This is what they did, okay? They never more galaxies than the first. So that's why its answer is fifth one false. It's not the same. See. It's not examine more, it's the brightest quarter of million of them in finer detail. To classify, okay, to classify the brighter. See, next one also is classification, not to examine more galaxies. Classification is they're categorizing, not examining. It's this classified meaning is classified doesn't mean that examine. Okay, they are making classify means grouping. So that's the answer. Next question, 6-1. Explanation. Herbary's homework will help to reduce the effects of climate change. Sixth answer is actually not given. Okay. Okay, this is the answer. Herbarius home and then describe about the response to climate change distribution. So, but the question is actually helped. So they mention all these things, but did they mention help to reduce the effects of climate change? Response to climate change is not the effects of the climate change. Okay, distribution of species in response. They are discussing about the distributions of species in response to climate change, not about the effects. Regarding effects, it's not being discussed. So what is not discussed? Effects of the see the to reduce the effects of climate change has not been discussed itself. So that's the reason why it's not given. Okay. But they mention all these things. They explain about the person and his and their work, but they never explained about the reduce the effects. So that's the only reason why it's like reduce how to reduce the effects. Reduce that is not the distribution of species, it's the how the species respond to climate change is the okay. Next one, passage. Explanation. Web used by social scientists. Web by social scientists to investigate the of social works. Answer is over here. See, sizes. Answer is sizes. Okay. One word question. Extra of is the this preposition is the of social works. So extra word in between they added, and that's the reason why it might get confused. So the answer comes from this part. Okay. Social science is the web is the okay from this line we got. Next one. This passage. Explanation. Most dash intended for limited number of people, not everyone on list. They are talking about list over here, long list, everyone on the list. What they are sending messages to all friends, right? From this line, okay? Most messages, okay, plural, it's plural. Most messages to long list of friends. So why it's not social network website? One word question is most Twitter. Only one Twitter is there, right? Okay. So most messages plural. Ninth, before that, even from here, from this line also you might be getting the answer. Statistical approach, right? For the this question, eighth question. Okay, from two lines. Okay. Ninth one. Explanation. Actually, this man name is explained over here. So this semicolon is there. That's the reason why it's a continuation of this. Okay, not related to this eighth question. It's getting confused like because it is attached to that. Dr. Huberman has also investigated something. Dash to discover how long people to discover how long people will spend on a particular website. See, this is the invention. This from this line we get the answer is web surfing, and from here you can use two words. So that's why web surfing. Why a small number of sites gets much more? Take time to read this. Explanation. Why a small number of sites gets much more dash than others on the same subject. So from this line, few sites, whereby a few sites on a given subject attract, only few sites were is successful to get in attracting attract most of the attention, and the rest of the get very little. So the answer for that is attention. Why a small number of sites gets much more attention than others on the same subject. So and their meaning or with the line you will be getting the answer. Okay. Passage. Explanation. Answer is 11. Bloggers whose writing improves as a result of feedback received from readers. Whose writing improves as a result of feedback received from readers. So it's from this meaning actually the line meaning is see journalists are now used to having their articles commented on by. So previously it's not like that. Now it is for journalists the readers can actually comment in YouTube or any media they can comment. So with that comment what bloggers are developing ideas. Okay, they are doing the writings essays and all. Whose writing improves as a result of feedback. There is a feedback, journalist feedback, and that feedback is utilized by the bloggers. So that's why it's not the journalists are not using that feedback. This bloggers are using. Next question. Passage. Explanation. What type of writing is not reviewed extensively? It's not reviewed extensively on the web. Third answer is scientific research. Okay. Yet, although people have tried to have scientific research, just like other research, people already come up, scientists even gave scientific research, but people didn't favor for that. What type of writing? Scientific research. Which publication invite authors of? Okay, this question 13. Passage explanation. Which publication invite authors to publish their articles on the World Wide Web? So someone invited. Who would invite? Which authors? Authors means writers, right? Okay. Explanation is Nature. Answer is actually Nature. Nature is a journal. It's a respected scientific journal. They invited them, and then it was okay. They invited. So, but it was not successful. But which publication? Nature. Okay. So that's the answer. This is the same passage. Okay, so quick revision for related to internet topics, related to speaking as well as the writing. What is another word for internet? World Wide Web. Okay, so it's a information management. So it actually originally we will never, this is the same reading, not different reading. So we will even relate that to the speaking and writing. Points, okay, only points from here. So whether there will be several questions whether this is useful, internet is useful, how it's useful. It was originally intended like this. So it nowadays it achieved far more than anyone expected. So the result is far more than anyone expected. Okay. Has achieved far more than anyone had expected at the time. Okay, so it's helped to keep track. It is helping us to keep track of. It's also nowadays this is helpful for keeping track of such a large project. Okay. See, what are the users for internet? It is origin. There are several users. Some of the users are linking electronic documents about any physics in laboratories and around the world. But among the changes it has brought, so there are several changes from personal social network to political campaign. From personal, so this is the word meaning. From personal social network, because I already marked, it's difficult for me again to mark. I'll try. From personal social network to, let me try with the tools. Okay, this line. Okay, so it's helpful for personal social network. So more than reading, just listen to my explanation. It will be helpful. So it's not limited to anything from only to social networking, personal social networks, but even it can be used for political campaigning these days. So it transformed their business nowadays. It is so one question is that what is the biggest transformation it could have? So the biggest transformation is in the field of business as well as in the field of science. So even scientific research, scientific journals can be published, and the feedback, the research can be taken from the internet through surveys. Okay, all these things are already explained over here. So one of the examples in part 3. So it allows journals to be published. Nowadays, if anyone can upload any journals on online, and links are available for everyone for you. So it is used by even professional scientists are using, and they are even recruiting thousands of amateurs to give them a hand. So nowadays, job marketing is actually taking over in the it's getting through the social media, right? So one project of this type is called, so actually job nowadays, job related features, this post will be available, and we can get the mobile number, and from there you can actually call them, message them, and then you can send your resume. So this is how you can do. This is all you can use for speaking. See, whatever one point even I am saying over here, it's for your applications in the IELTS. Okay. One project of this type is called Galaxy Zoo, where can you tell, one question is volunteer activity, right? Volunteer. So I was okay. Like, I know my uncle participated in the unpaid workers. He worked as an unpaid worker with professional scientist or something, and there we millions of images of galaxy were there. We just categorized them to spiral, elliptical, and irregular. Only vocabularies. Okay, so astronomers are using help for this. Okay, another new scientific application of the web is used. See, if you are using some of this idea from here, you can actually earn more than 7. Okay, so nowadays even they are tracking. These are the example of Herbria at home. Examine scan images of the handwritten notes about, so all those things. Another new scientific application of the web is used to explain. It is nowadays, it's unbelievable that the scientific application of the web is used for as experimental laboratories. Okay, it is allowing social scientists in particular to the whatever is previously impossible. Now we can do that. So even scientists are making observations related to that topic related to scientist is there. Okay. At first glance, so you can write it. At first glance, the network in disadvantages. When you are writing discussion essays and all, it can say when you are writing the positive sides. At first glance, the network seemed enormous. However, closer statistical inspection revealed that majority of the messages were directed at few specific friends. So it's not like that it's reaching a large ground. Only few specific friends it's reaching, but more than we expect that it is far smaller than the clans. Okay. So actually, individual activities, active social network is very less. So if I have 5,000 friends in the social media, but only active friends will be very less. Okay. So nowadays it's used to open up the scientific discussion and encourage more effective collaborations. Okay. Nowadays even not journalists are using this, many bloggers are using this, scientists are using this for scientific discussions. Okay, so what is not taking? Nowadays it's impossible, but what is the biggest transformation? I think from this passage, so the biggest transformation could be scientific research review in the same way. Okay, most researchers only accepts reviews from few, but it's like see, let me explain this. So the biggest transformation could be scientific research and their discussion reviews could be easily done through this web series, web pages, through internet. So if we are paying enough incentive for the reviewers. Okay, so this is how you can combine reading, speaking, and writing. So that's the end of the discussion for today. Thank you all.